guys, I'm about to go outside to meet one of our relatives. I'm going also to take some stuff on the market. Okay, so I hope to actually show you around it. Also, when I come back, I'll show you what I have brought from the market. Okay, so let's go. Zilly, did you miss me? Did you miss me? You don't want to sit with me? Yeah. Zilly doesn't want to sit with me, so I'm gonna leave her. She's going. She doesn't want to sit with me because she's angry I left her. But we are back at home and I want to show you some of the things I grabbed from the market. Now, well, I'm going to show you. Did you bring it back? But it doesn't sit with me. Back, Kizzy. Shh. 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 So, the very first thing, what should I show you? I'm gonna show you my outfits that I brought, like I bought from the market. So the first one is this jeans. I wanted jeans, trouser jeans for myself. It is navy blue or navy black, I don't know, or black, something bluish, I don't know which color is this. So this one I got at 500 Turkish lira. Okay, so it's nice because it stretches. So this is the very first one. I don't know if you can see. And then I got also this top. This a nice white top with a logo. Okay, I don't know what is this. Lucky, yeah, with a logo Lucky, not logo but a design Lucky. Okay, it looks like this. And also they have a gift on there. I don't know what is this. This is a thing, something like a wrist, or not a wrist, something, a bangle or stuff. What do we call this one? For the hand. So I love this one because of the designs of the hands. It's not just a normal t-shirt, you can see. So this one I think I got 300 Turkish lira. And then I got also this one. This is some just light blouse, you can see. It has this stuff. What do we call this design? Okay. And the back it has this one, and the hand has something like this. So it is not long. I think it reaches here, but it's very comfortable. And it has this collar. So I love it, and I chose this one. Okay. So this one, I think this one I got 400. I'm not sure. Around 400 Turkish lira. That is it for my clothes. And then for my boy, I got also a jeans. He really wants some jeans. He doesn't have a lot of them because all of them they are little. So I got the same like the other one. Okay, so this one. And the best thing about Turkish stuff, they have an adjustment button here for the kids. Okay, so you can adjust if the kids' waist is small or big. They have a button to adjust. So this one I got around 400. Yeah, I think no 300. I think this was 300 Turkish lira. Now I'm done with the clothes for today. I also got some stuff for my home, like for my home use. This one is for some water and some juices for my little girl. It has this one. It has this handle. Okay, it's very nice. It has this one actually, and also it has this one. Okay, so she can actually be using at home. I'm gonna clean it, then you can like this. Okay, so this one is for her water and also for some juices just at home. And then I got this one. These are for, maybe I'm gonna put some fruits or some snacks when I'm at home. If I want to eat something, or maybe I want to have my evening tea, I can put some stuff here, some snacks there, and then, or maybe some cakes or some stuff, and then just use at home. It's very simple but very nice. I love it. Okay, I think this one is around 120, 150 Turkish lira. Something else I got from the market is, you know, if you are a wife in Turkey, or maybe not even in Turkey, if you are a wife, you must make sure that you are buying some stuff for your family, or maybe for the home, because sometimes men don't care. Okay, they can give you the money, they can provide, but they are not into going and purchasing this stuff and this stuff unless you tell them. And some men don't know how to buy stuff. Okay, even the kitchen stuff they don't know. As long as they have the main basic things, they are okay. But for me, I prefer just going and checking which one do I want, and then I pick. Okay, or that's like what colors do I want, which one do I prefer. That is my thing. Okay, so if your wife, regardless of where you are, you must make sure that you are checking what do you want to upgrade in your house, what do you want. And I think if the man loves you, he's gonna provide and you go to buy. Okay, so I've also got this one. This one is for when you make something like maybe coffee, then it does like this. I don't know how to call it. But I think you are for mixing. Okay, for mixing your coffee, your Nescafe or stuff like that. Okay, like blending, it is a small blender. Okay, so this one I got it. And then I also got, in fact it was not me who got this my son got this one. I have a lot of them, but he just loves small spoons for chai, for tea. He got these ones. Okay, and then I got this one for salt, because the one we have, it is plastic. I don't want plastic stuff in my home anymore. I try as much as possible to actually not to have them. So it has adjustment, you can adjust however you want, just for salt on the table. Okay, this one it's glass, not plastic. I also got this one. I think this one you already know what is, like what we're gonna be using. This we're gonna be using to cut something like maybe whenever we make maybe a pasta, not pasta, when we make something like pizza, or maybe if you have something like burek, we can just easily chop. Okay, so I'm gonna keep that one aside. I'm managing. And there I got this. These are my glasses. Okay, these are tea for chai. They are 1 2 3 4 5 6 of them. I was counting 7, as you can see. I don't know if you can see. So they are like this. We have at home the normal ones with tulip, but for me I don't like them, because I love them, but I don't use most of the time. I prefer something like this, just to take and drink my tea. So I love the design on it. I love this design. So they are very, and also they are large. You don't need to go twice going to the kitchen and pouring. You just put your tea here and then you drink. So it is like this. I think this one, the 6 pieces, I got them for 500 Turkish lira. Okay, so that is it for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed my mini shopping haul or shopping stuff. I'll see you next in my next video. And if you're loving my content, you want to support me, do me one favor, guys. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. Until next time again, Grushurus. You want to say Grushurus? Ejrin want to say Grushurus. Okay. Ejrin want to say Grushurus. Aferin kişi.